Students, you will have to know two important websites. So the first website is r-project.org, and you will have to download R. So there is a button here, I would say a link here which talks about downloading. So you can click on it, and when you click on it, the page would direct the download. Of course, you can download your regional from your regional, which region you're close to, you can select that. So depending upon where you are. Now, having mentioned that, we will use an IDE. Now, IDE is nothing but an environment that provides us the ability to code with ease. Now, one of the reasons that IDE makes a difference is that it will indicate to you where you are correct and where you are incorrect. So have that in mind. So after you have installed R, then alone you have to go to RStudio. So this is the IDE Integrated Development Environment. Now there are many reasons why we need to use IDE. As beginners, IDE provides us that support in running the codes. It helps us. So click on this, immediately you will get a download for Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'm using this particular download. And after you have downloaded, you will get a environment like this. I hope you're able to see this. So you got 4 panes here. This first one which you see here, we run our scripts here. And the second one which you see here, we run our codes, selected codes here. And this will provide you the history of your operations, whatever you have used or whatever you have done. And this is predominantly for charts. Of course, as we progress, we will be able to understand these environments. But more so, if you were to see the environment, it is filled with the background is white in color, so it is not actually good for the eyes. So what I would suggest is click on tools and go to global, click on global, click on appearance. I would suggest you to change the appearance to solarized dark. And the font size, I'm going to use font size of 18 because students can see it as bigger font size, and it's up to you which font size you want to use. So these two settings are critical. Of course, there are other things which we can see later on, but now we apply it. Click on apply. You need to restart RStudio for these changes. Say yes, and then we do that. So students, this is what the RStudio looks like with that font and the description. So with this, we will complete the lesson and we will move on to the next lesson.